Introducing the brand new Rupes HLR75 Bigfoot Mini with I-Brid Technology. The Bigfoot Mini utilizes advanced ergonomics specifically designed for edgework polishing and spot repair. The Bigfoot Mini has a 3-inch backing plate, which makes it compatible with any Rupes 3-inch pad, whether it be foam, wool, or the new microfiber line. It has 5 adjustable speeds, allowing you to perform everything from harsh wet sanding or light finishing polishes. The Bigfoot Mini is powered by I-Brid Technology, which means it can be battery powered or plugged into a 110-volt outlet with an adapter. The machine comes with 2 battery packs and a standalone charger. The battery packs provide up to 40 minutes of continuous use and only take 30 minutes to charge, so with proper cycling, you should never be without a fresh battery. This updated design allows you to keep your hands in a comfortable position while polishing hard-to-reach areas of the vehicle, and ensures that the edges of your pad will not lift off of the vehicle, which can happen when using a traditional polisher. Pick up your Bigfoot Mini today at www.detailking.com.